Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing work permits. We're specifically discussing this in the context of teachers. I've done a video contemporaneously with this one where we discuss business visas in a similar vein. But long story short, teachers don't get any type of different type of work permit booklet or anything. But there is sort of a different set of criteria we've seen associated with teachers getting a work permit as opposed to, for example, entrepreneurs coming to Thailand, folks coming to Thailand to work for like a company, expat package folks. Definitely different from the BOI concessions, the work permits associated with those. Very different from things like the SMART visa, which kind of have work authorization embedded in them. But long story short, in a sense, yeah, it's the same type of work permit, but much like the business visa, the criteria associated with applying for that work permit are oftentimes substantially different. And it will oftentimes vary even from the type of institution you're dealing with. So like private schools, you may have oftentimes you will have a different set of criteria, for example, from state schools here in Thailand. And then things may even be different in an academic context. If you're dealing with a work permit associated with bringing in a professor to work in a university here in Thailand, the criteria for that person, for example, proving up their credentials may be different than someone who's coming to Thailand to teach, for example, high school or middle school or lower school English or something of this nature. So again, while in a sense, all work permits are sort of equal, some are more equal than others, I guess you could say, in the sense that there are different criteria associated with work authorization for different types of teachers, and this can even differ greatly from work authorization associated with people who are otherwise working here in the Kingdom of Thailand.